there, mathletes! Welcome back to Mr. Leith Math Hub, where numbers make sense, and algebra doesn't have to be scary. Today, we're diving into the wild world of algebra.
Oh no, not the letters in math.
Now, before you run away screaming like my little brother, just hear me out. Algebra is like a secret code, and by the end of this video, you'll be cracking it like a math detective.
Sister, does that mean I can finally find out who my exes are? I have been looking everywhere for them.
Well, Lockle, you're 8. Don't you think you can't find them because maybe you just don't have any?
You don't have to be telling the world that Kalacia. Trying to lickle dung man thing.
Anyways, we will not be finding who is, but finding what the letter X represents. Are we ready to dive into the world of algebra?
I believe they are, sister.
Okay, guys, let's get right into the video. Algebra is like a magical language where numbers and letters team up to solve problems. It's the math of unknowns, like when your friend says, "I ate some of your fries," and you're like, "How many, Jerry?" That sum is algebra.
So, algebra is for finding out how many fries Jerry stole?
Exactly. Algebra helps us find missing values, like how much money you'll have if you spend half on video games.
Kalacia, I told you one of my friends bought me that game.
Or how fast you need to run if you're late for class.
I was only ever late once, and I wasn't running. I was walking a bit faster than usual. That's why it looked like I was running.
Oh, I see.
Yes!
Now, algebra uses the same 4 operations you already know: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The only difference? We're playing with numbers and letters. For example, addition, 3x plus 2x, which is equal to 5x. Subtraction, 5y subtract 2y, which is equal to 3y.
Or we could say minus or take away instead of subtract.
Yes, we could have. They all mean the same thing. Next operation, multiplication. 3 multiplied by 4z, which is equal to 12z. And finally, division, 10, a divided by 2, which can be written as this, or as this. Both will be equal to 5a.
Okay, I understand. But why letters? Why not just use numbers?
Because life isn't always straightforward. Sometimes we don't know the number yet, like how many cookies are left after your sibling borrows them. Letters stand in for those mystery numbers.
Kalacia, that was a long time ago. And I asked you for it, you just didn't remember I asked.
Moving on. Let's say we have this expression, 3x squared plus 2y minus 5. Let's break down this expression.
Oh wait, I know these, Kalacia. The letters x and y are called variables.
Yes, Lucal. These represent the unknown numbers.
And I believe the 3 and the 2 that are in front our variables are called our coefficient. Right, Kalacia?
That's right, Lucal.
Lastly, the -5 is called our constant.
You remember what we say about constant, Lucal?
Yes, these numbers never change.
Very good.
Yes.
One more thing I would love to highlight, brother. Do you realise that little 2 above the x term?
I was wondering, what is it doing up there? Is it lost?
Haha, no, Lucal. It is called an exponent. It tells us how many times we multiply a variable by itself.
So wait, does that mean that the term 3x squared means 3 times x times x?
Bingo! And 2y is 2 times y, while -5 is just there, being constant.
Poor thing.
Now, here's where students get tripped up. What's the difference between an expression and an equation? Let's take a look at these. What do you realise is different?
One has an equal sign while one doesn't?
Exactly so, Luckle. 4x plus 2 is a math phrase with no equal sign. Hence, it is called an expression. While 4x plus 2 equal 10 is a math sentence with an equal sign. Hence, it is called an equation.
So an expression is like saying, I have 4x plus 2 cookies. And an equation is like, I have 4x plus 2 cookies and that equals 10 cookies?
Perfect. And with equations, we can solve for x, like figuring out how many cookies are in each batch. However, with expressions, we only can simplify them.
Oh, that's an interesting fact that I believe I need to always remember.
Indeed. Now you know the basics of algebra, variables, operations, and the difference between expressions and equations. Next time, we'll solve for x like pros. Until then, keep asking. But why? Math. Why?
And don't let Jerry steal your fries without algebra.
Exactly. Hit that like button if you're ready to conquer algebra, subscribe for more math magic, and comment below. What's something you wish algebra could solve for you? See you next time, Math Squad.